Once you've learned them, the rest is easy. Wheels out straight. Flapping is something. And what was it again?
It's arms out straight, no flapping, and be awesome.
Yeah, that's it. Because you crash loads when you're learning to be awesome.
You what?
Let's do this.
It's no good. I just can't figure out this flying business. The only thing I'm learning here is how to land in mud.
But you're brilliant at that, Tal. You'll get there. You just need a little more practice.
I don't know. Maybe we found the one thing Tao's not so good at. Whoa, so this is what not being awesome feels like.
No one's awesome at anything on their first try, Tao.
Hi, Masnita. How's it going at the ice cream show?
People are loving Tao's new marshmallow flavour. Although, if he doesn't come soon, they'll have eaten it all up.
He'll be there, Masnita.
Well, it looks like it's Tao time.
Hang on a sec, Tal. Are you sure you're ready for this?
Exactly. It takes a lot of practice to be completely awesome.
You may be right, Bo and Mojo, but there's a giant ice cream marshmallow at the bottom of this hill, and I promised Mayor Sunita a Tao topping. I'm awesome!
Ooh, come on, Mojo. He might need some help.
Mojo is go-go!
Tao's got this!
You're doing it, Tao!
Wow! Hi, guys! Thanks for coming!
Well, we thought you could use a wingman.
Or vehicle.
Mojo, Bo, slight change of plan. The mellow marshmallow has been such a hit. It's all been eaten up.
We're moving on to cactus fever now.
That doesn't look fun to land on.
Tao! You need to stop!
Don't know how, my main Mojo! Gotta reach the marshmallow touchdown zone!
That's the problem!
Oh, no!
And here comes Tao.
Grab on, Tao!
Pull up, pull up,
And there goes Tao.
told you Crumble Crest was too crumbly for stones this big. If we're not careful, they'll fall over.
Oh, nonsense. This is exactly where the ancients would have wanted them.
I think Norrie's right, Preston. They look like they can knock each other down.
Oh, I think not. Megaliths have stood for thousands of years, and they'll stand for thousands more. You see? The ancients, with their ancient wisdom, constructed them so that they can't fall
Preston,
down.
they are falling down.
Ah, yikes.
Now listen, these stones are too big. We should move them back down.
But the Megalith Club Waffle Picnic! It starts at sunset! That's it! The top stone! The megaliths are unsteady because we haven't put the top stone up yet.
Right, and if we do that, you'll be happy.
No, but I won't complain as much.
All right, easy. Easy now.
Faster, faster.
A little this way, a little that way.
Leftwise, up please.
No.
Clock
Go right.
forward, down a bit,
Yeah,
left a
that
bit,
one's
right a
good.
bit.
Up,
Spin
down a bit,
down a bit more.
down a bit more.
Come on now.
Looks good here. Yes!
Oh dear, oh dear. Oh.
There! That wasn't so hard. Oh dear.
Oh no! Stop them! Quick, Bo! Grab my hook! I can't hold it! It's one heavy rock!
It's not a rock, it's a megalith!
Preston! Oh.
Uh-oh! Ah! Time for a hot swap! Nose at top!
Now what?
We need to stop it from the front!
No! Pull it from the back!
Feel awesome! Wrecking ball! It's awesome! Come on, Mojo! Put your face into it! You've got this! I've got this! You've got this! I've got this! You've got this! I've got this! You've got this! I've got... No, I don't got this! I don't got this! I don't got this! Mojo, come back! Have you got me? Yeah, I've got you! Okay, I've got you! I've still got you! Let's get this done! You know what, Bo? I think this wrecking ball might just be a teensy bit on the heavy side. You might be right, Mojo.
Hello, Mojo and Bo. Are you still coming? That shed won't knock itself down.
Are you sure? Because it would be great if it did.
Whew! I don't know, Preston. We've made it to the top of Swoppiton Hill, but we seem to be having a bit of a problem with our massive ball.
Swoppiton Hill? Ooh, but that's just round the corner. Cooey! Cooey! I'm over here!
OK, Preston, sit tight. I think I'm about to have a fantastic idea.
Oh, I'm liking how you're thinking, good buddy. What's the plan?
All we have to do is get the ball from here to Preston's shed. But it's too heavy to carry, and it looks like the road is closed.
So?
If we plan our shot right, we can't miss.
But first, it's time for a hot swap. Nose at top!
OK, Mojo, we're going to hit this ball into that shed.
No way!
Yes way. Let me break it down. First, we're going to bounce off that roadworks barrier there. Then the post box, bounce off the bench, bounce off the wall, off the planter, off the bench, off the fence around the corner, hit the tree which will bend, and ping it up into the air, high through the sky and straight down onto Preston's shed. Bullseye.
Wow! I mean, what could possibly go wrong?
Exactly, we can't miss.
Then let's get this ball rolling. Ugh. Oh.
You can't move it like that. It needs a good whack. Now, we need to aim carefully. Perfect. Now just hit it with exactly the right...
Exactly right, got it!
Yep, that did it. Now, here we go. Now, first off, it bounces off the roadwork barrier. Good, good, and... That wasn't supposed to happen.
Oh,
No!
At least you got a hole in one.
Listen. I can hear it. It's still rolling under the ground. Maybe we can get it back on track.
Oh, we could find a new way.
Quick, Mojo, we'll lose it. Okay. This way, that way, forward. Okay, right a bit, left a bit. That's it, Mojo, that's it. Okay, here, it's coming out here. Get ready, Mojo. Any second now. Any second. Oh, I can hear it too now. Exactly, Mojo. It's almost like it's rolling straight for us. Ah! Nothing happens like it's supposed to.
Sorry, new wrecking ball too heavy to lift. Pretty nice though, right? Sorry. Can I have one?
This is no good, Mojo. We have to find some way of slowing it down.
I'm on it.
I'll carve down the slopes on my new snowboard. You follow me down and record all my epic stunts.
Yeah, sure, we can do that.
Here, take my camera and try to keep up. You do know how to work that, right?
Yeah, easy.
No problem.
Oh, it looks a lot steeper from up here.
I know, right? I can't wait to start snowboarding!
Hang on, let me get you in focus.
Snowboard Mountain, take one.
Okay, and action!
So, Tal, have you been snowboarding long?
Nope, first time.
That doesn't sound good.
Oh, we better get after him.
This is epic!
I'm not sure about this.
Whoa, yeah! Nice! Come on, you two! Keep up! Yeah! Woohoo! Yeah! Sweet! Awesome! Whoa!
Faster, Mojo, faster!
If I go any faster, I might crash. Snowdrift.
Woo! Hey, you two! This is awesome! Are you getting it all on camera?
We're trying to.
I'm sure it'll be tastic. Let's have a look at what you've got so far. Snowboard Mountain, take one.
Hang on. Sorry, Tal. That wasn't very good.
It was hard keeping up with you.
Can we give it another go?
Yeah, try and keep up this time. Snowboard Mountain, take two.
We'll never get a good video if we can't keep up.
I mean, we really need the chopper top.
All the way up here? We've never flown it this high before. What if snow gets in your eyes? Or the rotors freeze?
Yeah, that could happen. Or what if it's awesome?
Okay then, it's time for a hot swap! Mojo. Let's do this. Are you all right, Bo? It is cold up here, and it's got really windy. Steady. Oh, that wind! It's blowing us off course. Tail's that way. Full throttle, Mojo. This is full throttle. There's something must be wrong with your rotors. Oh no, they've frozen solid. Uh-oh. Ah! We're going down!
Huh? Whoa! Mojo? Bo? I didn't know you could ski. Want a race?
It's okay, Bo. I'll get the hang of this. Just watch out for those trees.
Whoa! Whoa! Now you're getting it.
We really shouldn't, should we? No, we shouldn't. But we could. And it wouldn't take long. Okay, then. Just a quick one.
First one back to the town hall wins.
You're on. Hold on to your hoses. Here we go.
Okay. Come on, you two. At least try and keep up.
Walk in the park, Tao.
Try a wall ride. Whoa!
Easy peasy. No time for ice cream, Tao. Mojo is go-go. Shame we don't have the racer top. It's much faster. I don't have any slow tops. Woohoo!
You're gonna need that speed where we're going. Yay! Tao Kapow!
Mojo is go-go. That was totally brilliant.
Nice race. And great paint job.
Paint job? Oh, boy. Don't worry, Bo. I don't think anyone has noticed. Look out!
I feel like a vanilla swan. This is terrible. Everybody panic!
We've got to fix this.
Oh, hello, Mojo and Bo. Oh, hello, Mojo and Bo. Oh, hello, Mojo and Bo.
We're going to need something to clean this mess up. Aha! Fabio, can we borrow your mop?
Yeah, I suppose.
OK, Mojo. Time to clean up this town. Shouldn't take long. That's it, Bo. You're doing well. Keep going. Keep mopping. Great job.
You're never going to clean it all up like this.
Huh? It's taking you too long. Mojo, we messed up big time. We've got to clear it all up before there's an accident. Well, we made all this mess by driving around quickly. Could it be that speed isn't always the answer? Mojo, I think you might be right. We're going to need a hot swap. We're done with swapping. Let's get mopping. It's working.
Oh, thank you, Mojo and Bo. My world makes sense again.
Oh, Everything's completely fine. I don't know why everyone was in such a tizzy.
Phew! We're nearly done. Yeah, just one last little bit to do. OK, Mojo, let's make it a clean sweep.
I don't know about this. Is that really the right way? Oh, well, the lines are always right.
How far to go, Ted?
Not far now. The lines go straight down these stairs.